let's go. More peace. We're more peace then.
Round 3, folks. You heard Carl Grant. He is right. Of course you have to hit him, but move. He has to move, and I said that in the keys to victory. He has to use the jab, and he has to move. Holmes looked winded after round 2. I don't know if he was playing possum, but Salas is not going anywhere. And Holmes is leaning on him. And a right from Holmes. Salas strikes back. The crowd at the National Indoor Sports Center, they are on their feet. Crowd is chanting frog. Oh! Big uppercut by Holmes that caught Salas, who moves away. So he's still in charge of his faculties, but he was hit with a massive uppercut. Salas might not have been hit like this before. DeMarcus chop. Corley did say, Holmes, he hits hard. Midway round 3. And sometimes when you watch a fight like this, the best thing to do is to keep quiet. What a performance by these two boxers so far. Do they have it in them in this heat? And the sheer weight of the punches to go 10 rounds. Who will blink first? Who will tire first as they are throwing bombs, and Salas is all over Holmes again, and Holmes counter punches, but the Jamaican is in trouble. He doesn't like to be hit. A right by Salas. The high-pressure Mike Tyson style. Holmes is not really done, but he's absorbing punishment. He has to counter-punch, has to be careful because Steve Smoker will stop it. But once you throw the punches, he will allow it to go on. Wow! This is a battle of attrition. A big right by Holmes, and a left hook. And a big right! I can't believe that Salas is still standing! And a massive right by Holmes has rocked Salas! Wow!
What is? Stop on.
Folks, I'm gonna go out on a limb. I don't think this fight is gonna go past 4 rounds. I have this 29-29, round 1 to Salas. I had round 2 dead even because of the work done by both boxers. And I gave round 3 to Richard Holmes. 1 round each, 1 round even, 29-29. And we have seen 3 rounds of action, folks. It feels like 12 rounds. What a performance by